Hello and welcome to Hanson's How-To Videos. In this video today, we're going to go over how to request school documents on campus login. When you're on the Hanson College BC main website, go to Student Life and click on Login. The login page has 4 student portals you can access. Click on Campus Login to sign in. Make sure you capitalize the H of your Hanson Student ID number when you put in your username. On the left-hand side, you will see a tab called Request School Documents. Click on the name of the document that you want to request. Make sure you have chosen the correct campus and put in the correct student ID number. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, click on the Submit button. A screen will pop up to say that it might take 3 to 5 business days for you to get your documents. However, we will try our best to get it to you as soon as we can.